Philips OLED759 4K Ambilight Titan TV. Main features are available in 4 different sizes: 48, 55, 65, and 77 inches. P5 AI Perfect Picture Engine. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Ambilight features are wall color adaptive. Lounge light mode. Ambilight music, Ambi-Sleep, sunrise alarm, works with Philips wireless home speakers, Ambilight FTI animation. Display 4K Ultra HD OLED. Panel resolution is 3840 x 2160. Voice assistant Amazon Alexa built-in, RC with mic. Smart home experience works with Amazon Alexa, works with Google Home, compatible with Matter, connects with Control 4. Sound enhancement Dolby Bass enhancement, clear dialogue, AI, sound, II. Q Dolby volume leveler, night mode, sound personalization. HDMI features 4K audio return channel. Wireless connection. Wi-Fi 802.11ac 2x2, dual band Bluetooth 5.2. HDMI 1x2, HDMI 2.1 full bandwidth 48 GBps, up to 4K 120 Hz. Gaming features are ALM HDMI V, RRA, MD Free Sync Premium, Video G, Sync compatible.